In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google AI Studio API usage stats. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your usage metrics, how to read them, and how to filter the view so you can keep your project on track and avoid surprises. First, sign in to your Google AI Studio account. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left area of the interface and select Get API Key. This section is where your API keys are listed and managed, and it's also the quickest way to reach usage insights tied to those keys. On the API key card, look to the right side for the View Usage option and click it. That link opens the usage dashboard associated with the selected key. This is the central place where you can check how much your applications have been calling the API. On the usage page, you'll see metrics that typically include counts of requests and token usage over time. These charts help you spot patterns, like a sudden spike after a new feature release or a dip when traffic is low. If you're running time-sensitive experiments or load tests, these visuals make it easy to confirm whether your changes are behaving as expected. To make the data more meaningful, adjust the time range at the top of the page. Short ranges, such as the last hour or day, are great for quick checks during development. Longer ranges, like the past week or month, help you understand trends and plan capacity. Remember that some metrics may update with a short delay, so give it a moment if you've just made a burst of requests. If you work across different initiatives, use the project filter to ensure you're looking at the correct environment. This helps separate production activity from testing or staging so you don't confuse one project's traffic with another's. You can also switch the model filter to focus on a specific model. This is handy if you're comparing performance or cost profiles and want to see which model is driving the majority of your calls. As you review the graphs, watch for anomalies, such as unexpected spikes, troughs, or steady climbs that don't match your release schedule. Consistently monitoring this page can help you stay within limits, understand user behavior, and catch issues early. And that's it. You've learned how to log in, open your API key section, click View Usage, and explore your stats by time range, project, and model. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.